Hi, this is Maggie Castry with the League of Women Voters of Southwest Missouri. This is our third video on cell phone advocacy. This video is about how to construct your message points about the implementation of Medicaid managed care in Missouri. Now, most people can squeeze about 200 words into a 2-minute video. You need to script it, time it, and cut out the blah, blah, blah until it fits. We all drone on and on. But just pretend you are telling your intelligent but uninformed mother over the phone. Keep it simple. Maybe you could tell a story of a client who was hurt by managed care not being implemented correctly, and tell your legislator how that could be corrected. Tell a story of someone who benefited from receiving counseling and medications correctly and how managed care must be regulated to provide that. Tell a story about a family trying to help a loved one without the resources they need back home and how correct implementation of managed care can correct that. Tell a story about a patient who relies on a safety net program and explain why these programs need to be carved out from managed care. Maybe you could give a patient example showing why managed care companies really need to be required to actually provide adequate mental health services to patients and to work well with providers for the patient's benefits. Maybe you could tell a patient story about how it's just not possible to stabilize a suicidal patient in one day that's allowed by managed care now, and use that as an example of why strict oversight and regulation of managed care companies is required. Maybe you could tell a patient's story showing why the legislature needs to place managed care under the Department of Insurance, which will require that these companies perform as contracted. These companies are handling federal money, it's taxpayer money, and we need strict oversight by the legislature to make sure this is handled correctly. You can find an extensive list of ideas for safely implementing Medicaid managed care here at this address. That's on the League of Women Voters website. Thank you so much.